Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming permissions and quick access. Open File Manager Plus and accept any storage prompts so the app can read files. Once done, make sure the view is set to the correct storage, internal or SD, so you don't waste time searching. You'll also enable any cloud or root options only if needed because they change available actions. Now tap the primary folder list and note the filters and sort buttons. These first actions set up a fast, accurate workflow. You now perform the core operations. Long press items to multi-select and then copy, move, or delete in batches to save time. When dealing with backups or transfers, compress folders into zip files and extract archives directly. This keeps integrity and reduces upload size. Once you move files, use the sort and view options to verify locations, and add frequently used folders to favorites so you can return instantly. Remember to check destination free space before large moves to prevent partial transfers. You finish by confirming each file moved or copied opens correctly. This step prevents data loss later. Once verified, clear temporary caches and close any active transfers. If you encounter errors, first check permissions and free space. Most failures are simple. If problems persist, restart the app or toggle cloud sync. Additionally, use the recycle bin or undo within seconds to recover accidental deletes. Lastly, document the successful path so repeat tasks become.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.